So I get really tired of making banana bread that uses 12 different ingredients. So today we're going to make 3-ingredient banana bread. First, you need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then we are going to add some bananas to a medium mixing bowl. My bananas were kind of small, so I used 4 of them and they were very ripe. Once you get all those in the bowl, mash them up. I used a potato masher, works pretty good. And then we are going to use a can of sweetened condensed milk. I'm not a brand snob. I used the Walmart brand, but you can use whatever brand you prefer. I used a 14-ounce can. Mix that up really well with the mashed banana. Then you're going to add some self-rising flour. Now, how much you add depends on what kind of loaf you want to end up with. I like my banana bread to be very banana-y and a little bit chewy, and I don't mind it being short. So I only did 1 1/4 cups of self-rising flour. Self-rising is important. If you're only going to use 3 ingredients, then it's got to have some baking powder already mixed into it. So don't use regular flour, use self-rising and make sure it is fully folded in with your banana mixture. If you prefer a fluffier, more bread-like loaf, go ahead and do about 2 cups of self-rising flour with your banana mixture. So once you have that all mixed up, you're going to spray a loaf pan with some Pam baking spray or off-brand, whatever you prefer. It doesn't matter. My loaf pan is 9 1/4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. It's Wilton brand. If you have a smaller loaf pan, that is totally fine. That just means your loaf will probably end up a little bit taller and you will need to add some baking time. So just keep an eye on it and see how it goes and eyeball it really if your pan is a different size. After you spray your pan, you're going to pour the batter into the pan. Scrape all of the batter out of the bowl. Wipe off the spatula with your finger. Scrape off your finger. Get all of that goodness into that pan. Then you're going to put it in your oven. Mine baked for about 45 minutes and came out perfect. Like I said, if you have a smaller pan, you're going to need to add time, probably up to an hour. Once it's done, you're going to let it cool on the cooling rack in the pan for about 10 minutes. After that, you can flip it over to finish cooling on the pan. You can see all the steam coming off. It's still very hot. It's going to take an hour or more to fully cool. And then once it's cooled, you can put it on a platter, put it on a plate, whatever you want to do. Slice it up, eat it. It is super delicious. I like it as is, especially since mine has such a banana-y flavor. But you are welcome to top it with something. My kids like it with a little bit of maple syrup drizzled over it. Honey is also good, whatever you prefer. And see if you can make it last until the next day. I doubt it. So try out some 3-ingredient banana bread. Self-rising flour, bananas, and sweetened condensed milk. It's super easy. If you're interested in a little more work, while it is cooling, whip up some maple bourbon brown sugar glaze. I've got the recipe for that on my channel as well, so go check it out. It is super delicious. It's my husband's favorite way to eat banana bread. If you're looking for an adult beverage to enjoy it with, I dare you to try a banana bread old-fashioned with it. It is the perfect pairing, and you'll find that recipe on my channel as well. So, are you ready to make some 3-ingredient banana bread with me?